Buying a home can be a stressful and confusing time for many homebuyers, but it doesn't have to be. In this video, we share 5 simple things you should do before you buy a home. One of the first things you should do when you are considering buying a home is to know your credit score. To get a home loan, there are several factors that come into play, but your FICO or credit score is the most important. You can check your credit report and get your scores online for free. The Fair Credit Reporting Act requires each of the nationwide credit reporting companies, Equifax, Experian, and TransUnion, to provide you with a free copy of your credit report at your request once every 12 months. Once you have your credit report, be sure to review it and check for any errors. Mistakes on credit reports are bigger issues than you may realize. If you do find inaccuracies, you can dispute them with the 3 major credit bureaus. They have 30 days to investigate your dispute. If they find that the item in question is inaccurate, they will correct it. The higher the credit score, the more likely you are to get approved for a home loan. So check what you can do to improve your score. A few points difference in your credit score can be the difference in whether you qualify for a home loan or not. There are a few things you can do to increase your scores. First, pay down the balances on your credit cards. Your credit utilization ratio is your credit limit divided by your card balance. This ratio accounts for 30% of your overall credit score. Only payment history has a bigger impact. For example, if your credit limit is $10,000 and your balance is $6,000, your utilization ratio is 60%, which is very high. The lower your credit card balances are, the higher your credit rating will be. Some credit experts advise keeping your balances below 20% of your credit card limit. The next thing you can do is to make all your payments on time. 35% of your credit score is based on your payment history, so it's important to pay all of your bills on time. If you're a forgetful person, you can set up auto pay with your creditors so you never miss a payment. If you're wanting to buy a home, do not apply for or open any new credit. This means to hold off on buying a new car or opening a credit card until after you close your mortgage. You will need a certain amount of cash in the bank to buy a home. If you're living paycheck to paycheck, then it probably isn't the ideal time for you to apply for a loan. There are more upfront costs associated with getting a mortgage loan besides the down payment. There are closing costs and fees that you will need to pay to the appraiser, lender, and title company. So you need to make sure you have enough cash on hand when you get ready to close. And one of the most important things you should do before you go out looking for a home is to get pre-approved. A pre-approval means a borrower has completed a mortgage application and a lender has checked credit and verified income and assets. You will need to submit documentation verifying your income, assets, and savings, and your lender will be able to help you through this process. Most sellers today will not even consider an offer from a buyer who has not already been pre-approved. So plan on meeting with your mortgage lender before you go shopping for your home. Buying a new home is very exciting, and there are a few simple things you can do before you start looking that will help you through the process. Be sure to meet with a licensed mortgage professional to get your questions answered. Thanks for watching. We are here to answer your questions and help you through the process. We're excited for the opportunity to earn your trust by offering the right mortgage for your unique financial scenario. You can reach us online at www.suzannedowns.com. We look forward to working with you.